Zara Tindall's My Fair Lady moment leaves fans gasping. Zara Tindall, Princess Anne's only daughter, once again proved she is a style icon in her own right. Royal watchers were left in awe when she stepped out at Royal Ascot, channeling classic Audrey Hepburn vibes and giving off a true My Fair Lady moment, according to a jewelry expert. Known for her impeccable fashion sense, Zara shines during the British summer season, attending high-profile events such as Buckingham Palace garden parties and Wimbledon. Yet, it was her Royal Ascot appearance that truly stole the show this year. She wore a stunning Laura green dress featuring a crisp white bodice and skirt, elegantly accented with a black collar and piping along the capped sleeves. The outfit was both sophisticated and playful, perfectly blending modern elegance with timeless charm. Fans were quick to compare her look to Audrey Hepburn's iconic film style, noting how effortlessly Zara pulled off the cinematic glamour while maintaining her signature royal polish. Accessories were kept minimal, allowing the dress to shine and reinforcing Zara's knack for understated sophistication. This appearance is another reminder that Zara Tindall consistently balances her love for equestrian life with impeccable fashion, proving she can compete with the most stylish royals. With every public outing, she solidifies her status as a fashion-forward royal who knows how to leave fans and experts alike completely mesmerized.